So here is the comparison between apollo.io and snuff.io. You can click on the links down in the description if you want to try out apollo.io or snuff.io for your team. Apollo is an all-in-one sales intelligence platform with a strong database of contacts and built-in outreach tools. It offers advanced filters, verified emails, engagement tracking, and sequencing, making it ideal for outbound sales teams that need both data and automation in one place. It's especially powerful for B2B prospecting with features like Intel signals, CRM integrations, and detailed analytics. The only drawback is that pricing can go up as your team grows, and some features are locked behind higher plans. Snuff.io, on the other hand, is best known for its email finder, drip campaigns, and lightweight CRM features. It's more affordable, easy to use, and works great for startups or small teams that want a simple yet effective lead generation and outreach system. It also includes tools for email verification, domain search, and tracking, but its contact database isn't as extensive as Apollo's. That said, it gives you more control over credits and pricing flexibility based on what you actually use. So, if you're looking for a robust, data-rich platform with powerful outreach tools for scaling sales, Apollo.io is a stronger option. But if you want a budget-friendly, easy-to-use tool for finding leads and sending email campaigns, Snuff.io is a great choice.